Kotek.io's Payable QR Code is a digitally scannable code that facilitates secure and immediate payments, providing an efficient and contactless transaction method ideally suited for small businesses. To start, first we need to get you sign up. Head over to our website and click Start for free. Simply type in your email address and password to sign up. You can also sign up using Google. Next, let's get your payment processing feature activated. You only need to do this once. Click Payable QR Codes or payment links in the menu, and click Activate Payments. Fill out what is needed and submit the form. Normally the review process takes less than 20 minutes to finish. Here, you can choose to authenticate your account using your phone number or an authenticator app. We use Authenticator app for the purpose of this demo. After the application gets approved, you can start accepting payments. Click Payable QR Codes in the menu, and click Create New button on the top left corner. Select Payable QR Code and follow the steps in the pop-up to create a Payable QR Code. Congratulations, you now have a working Payable QR Code and ready to accept payments.